So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to add another stock to the portfolio. You guys can see what it is. It is CVS. We're going to show you now from the charts perspective as to why I think this stock needs to be added to the portfolio and why I think it's going to go higher. And then we're going to try to target how high we think it's going to go. Now, again, if y'all appreciate the videos that I do produce, before you head out, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe here to the channel to make sure you stay ahead of the plays that we are calling right here on this platform. So now let's talk about why we think CVS needs to be added to our portfolio. First things first, if you're new, we always come in and try to document where we think there are majority of buyers and majority of sellers. Okay, at any given point of price, you can see where a market has accumulated people who are willing to buy or were willing to buy, and those who are willing to sell. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is document where we can see these buyers. Okay, so that's a buy area right here. So this is what we termed a buy pocket. Okay, it's very important for us to realize where these people are. Okay, so this is probably the biggest reason why I wanted to come in and show you all why I think the stock is a buy. This area right here, very strong, massive buy pocket. All of these weekly price bars, the market in CVS has not broken through this pocket. So there's a lot of people accumulating shares right here, and they won't do this if they don't think the stock is going to go up. Just gonna keep it real. And another clue that tells us, well, maybe two, is that right here off of this weakness bar, this weekly weakness bar, the market didn't go down in CVS. It should have gone lower, but as you can see, it consolidated. Even here on this weekly price bar, this is weakness, but in the next week we saw the market run back up higher in price, and then we got a signal off of our software telling us that this stock is a buy. And then we got another signal on the weekly chart saying us that this stock is a buy. Okay, so that's the reason from a weekly perspective as to why I think we need to add this stock to our portfolio. Now, look, just as with anything, we need to learn where are the traps. All right, so let me show you where the trap is, because this is where the trap is for CVS. It goes all the way back to right here. Okay. This is a sell pocket. So if we really want to see this stock run, if we want to see the stock really go up in price, we got to break that hurdle first. Just going to keep it real with my people. We got to let the market see the buyers. If they really want price, they'll break that pocket. It won't be a problem. We'll see the market in CVS just completely break through it. And when it happens, it'll be a massive run to the upside. So this is kind of like the beginning stages of the stock getting prepared for that. When you see an accumulation right below a pocket of selling, that is what the market is doing. It is building up that energy. So boom, it can finally break through to the upside. But we don't get comfortable until we see the market break that sell pocket. Okay, so that's on the weekly chart there. Outside of that weekly sell pocket, here's the next one right here. Okay, and the market hasn't been in this price since like 2023 in CVS. And this is the next biggest sell pocket right here. Okay, like around $105. So now, this is the price action in CVS on the 2 weeks. Just trying to show you a different time frame, just to show you that the market is still being absorbed by the buyers, because these 2 weekly price bars is definitely weakness. This one, and then again this one. Okay, and I'm liking that price is not acting that way. It's not acting weak. If it was acting weak, we would have been seeing price break this pocket of buying, but it didn't. Here it is on 3 weeks. Okay, here is CVS on the 5 weeks. And here it is on the monthly chart. So I'm going to play this prediction on the weekly time frame. So we do got some time to let this play out. And I'm going to add a buy pocket right here in CVS. We don't want to see the market ultimately break this pocket right here. So that's where we're going to place our stop loss at. We're going to place it right down there. So that's like maybe 12, 14, I would say 15, almost 16% right there loss if the market in CVS doesn't hold that pocket. Now let's target where we think price is going to go outside of this sell pocket. Okay, if we're able to see price break this first sell pocket, our first target is going to be up here at $89.50 to like $90.75. Okay, right there, 12.34% there. And then we're going to run the next target up here towards $95.27 to $96.29, 19.2% run to the upside there in CVS. So it's going to take some time. That's why we're playing this on the weekly chart, to allow the market opportunity to move. But as long as we don't see price break this buy pocket of $68, 69 bucks, we're good. Okay. But if we continue to see issues with price breaking this first sell pocket, we might need to let this play go. I'm just saying, just to get us prepared mentally for when price doesn't act the way that we suspect that it should be acting. It's telling us it's not going to happen right now. We need to let it go. So we're going to add it right here. I'm actually finished. So now we're going to run this over to our portfolio. Today's the 6th, and we're going to add this to the portfolio. The ticker symbol is CVS and the company name CVS Health. And the last price of today was $80.70. Okay. Now go to my other videos that I got on this channel to see the other stocks that we got in our portfolio. I think I might, at the end of this week, do a review of these stocks to see if they still need to be in our portfolio. And if they are, we'll keep it. If they need to go, then we'll remove them. All right. Make sure you guys maintain profit. And as always, trade different.